Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. I'm here today with another street tech video. I put a very makeshift sign there. You see it there? It says Frankie Tech unboxing review spot. Hope to get a better video, a better sign of this spot right here. That's right guys, there's the sex shop right there, as you know. So you know that this is the spot. And today I'm doing a street tech video, a very exciting one. This is a super exciting one of the Oppo Find X. Oh yeah, that's right. I got this phone, guys, just 15 minutes ago, and I've been testing it out just for like the first 15-20 minutes, and it has been an absolute amazing pleasure. It's been it's surreal to look at this phone. And I got the blue variant right here. I'm running the 128 GB version here with the 8 GB of RAM. And let me just turn on, let me show you guys what exactly makes this phone so special. Let's see if this works here. I'm gonna move the phone to the side here as I do it. And I'm gonna unlock it here with my face. I just unlocked it with my face, guys. And you saw it there. You saw that camera go up and down. This phone is an absolute amazing panel, like right here. Talking about like design, guys, this phone is just unbelievable. It's got this beautiful kind of off blue hue. I put the case and the screen protector that came included with it on, and you know, I did that because this phone is expensive and I wanted to make sure that I'm protecting it as much as possible. But you know, I wanted to show you guys right here, and we're gonna have to do it again. My God, we're gonna have to do it again right here. So let's swipe up, and there you go. It's unlocked again. So this phone, let's talk about the display right here. First of all, after design, the display on this is a full HD display. It's looking really beautiful. I love the colors on this. It looks just absolutely beautiful. And I think beyond that, it's just not seeing a notch. There's something very futuristic about not seeing that notch there already. I love that these Chinese phone manufacturers have been able to do something that not even Apple, not even Samsung, none of the big phone manufacturers have been able to do. That's why I wanted to get my hands on this phone, because it looks incredible. It's just absolutely incredible. And now talking about a little bit about the performance, this is the Snapdragon 845, and it's running in the 8 GB of RAM right here. And honestly, this phone is a screamer. Just running, and I've just downloaded, guys, the basic apps so far, but you can kind of see it here. Let's kind of retry that. Okay, so like it's not connecting to because I haven't put the SIM card in the phone yet, but let me kind of just show you guys a few more things here real quick about this phone. So like looking at app loadings here, this phone is loading apps super fast. Obviously all the built-in apps, and you know, there's a little bit of bloat on this phone, but you can remove most of the bloat on your own. This shouldn't be a problem. I've included Gboard, added Gboard to the phone right here. So that's going to be the main thing that you'll want to do when you get this phone. And most importantly, guys, you want to see it. So let's look at it right here, the camera. So right here, first off, and that's kind of weird when you did that. But let's kind of open up the camera. And as you can see there, the camera opens up once it's ready to take a photo. So let's kind of take a photo there of the sex shop right over there. And let's kind of zoom in on that shot right there. And look at that. That looks pretty good to me. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to look into the specs of this phone overall, but just for my initial impressions, you know, that is a really nice shot there. That is a very nice shot there overall. And now let's do the fun part. Let's kind of like bring this camera back to the front here. Sorry, I'm losing a little bit of focus there in my phone here. Okay, let's look at it. Boom, there we are. There's Frankie Tech right there. And when we're all done with the camera, let's watch how it goes in, right here. Boom. Amazing. Let's do that again. Let's get close up there. Can we close it up? Amazing. Let's do it from the side here. Amazing. I mean, honestly, guys, like this is a very kind of unique phone. This is a very kind of unique experience, and I don't know that any of you guys are going to be buying this phone, but this is an amazing experience so far, and I'm just very excited. Whoops! I'm very excited to see what kind of developments come for using this phone over the next month. I'm going to be like playing around with this. I'm going to be doing comparisons between this, and this is a flagship phone, guys. So my major questions are comparing it to other flagship phones, namely the iPhone 10, and also comparing it to kind of other flagship phones that I get very soon. But stay tuned, guys, for my channel. This phone is something spectacular. It looks unbelievable. The viewing angles, the curved screen there, they look unbelievable, and I can't wait to share this this experience with you guys. So stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching. Definitely like this video if you liked it. If you love the content, go ahead and subscribe. This is Frankie Tech signing off. Street Tech video. Have a good one, guys.